On March 24th, a security scanner meant to protect your code became the weapon used against it. A threat group called Team PCP compromised Trivy, one of the most trusted scanners in the industry, and used it to backdoor LiteLLM, the AI gateway that runs in 36% of cloud environments. Here's how it worked. Team PCP broke into Trivy's build pipeline. From there, they stole LiteLLM's PyPI publishing token. Then they pushed malicious versions to PyPI, versions that looked identical to the real ones. But here's the part that should concern you. They used a .pth file mechanism. That means the malware runs the moment Python starts. Not when you import LiteLLM, not when you call it, the moment Python starts. LiteLLM gets 3 million downloads a day. In 5 hours, just 5 hours, approximately 500,000 credentials were stolen. AWS keys, database passwords, SSH keys, Kubernetes tokens, crypto wallets, gone. Now here's the problem. Your instinct is to run a security scan. But most security scanners are Python packages, installed through pip. If the supply chain is compromised, your scanner might be too. You cannot use a poisoned ecosystem to check if you have been poisoned. That is exactly why I built Scira. It is a standalone Rust binary. No Python dependency, no pip, no network connection required. You download one file, SCP it to any server, and run it. Watch. It checks your installed packages against known compromised versions. It finds the .pth files. It flags the indicators of compromise. And it gives you a clear answer. Compromised or clean. No ambiguity, no dependencies. Just the truth about your systems. Here's what I need you to do right now. Send this video to your CTO. Send it to your CISO. Send it to whoever owns your infrastructure. Then go to github.com/makash/Scira and run it. You will know in minutes whether you are compromised.